Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my oatmeal mix. So if you want to see how I upgrade my oatmeal, stay tuned. Here's a quick list of the ingredients. Okay, now I'm going to make my oatmeal mix. I'm going to use oatmeal, walnuts, flaxseed, almonds, chia seeds, and for a little bit of sweetness, raisins or dried cranberries. In a big bowl. So this is a little bit over a pound of oatmeal. Next I'm going to add some chia seeds. I don't really measure anything, just put enough to mix it in. Sorry, flax seeds. Now the chia seeds. I don't have a lot of almonds, so I might put all these in. Yeah, all those can go in. I think I'll put about half of these. Just see how much these weigh. There's about 10 ounces of these, so I'll probably put in about 5. This actually keeps me full for most of the day. And lastly, the raisins. And give it a quick mix around. Let's put some more of those in. And this tastes so much better than the instant packs you buy. And it's way more filling. Next, I'm going to scoop this into my jar. Bought a bigger jar for this. Originally I was using this jar. I think it is a bigger than a 12 ounce. 24, 18, 24. And now I'm going to be using this one, which is 2 liters. So next I'm going to add my mix into my new jar. And lastly, I'm going to add the stuff that I made last week. Give it a bit of a shake. So this is how I make my oatmeal. we usually have about 1/4 cup to a half a cup, depending on how hungry I am. An equal amount of milk, so 1/3 cup of milk. And then 1/3 cup, or maybe a little bit less than that, of boiling hot water. Stir that up. It looks a little soupy, but after you let it microwave for a minute and then let it stand, it turns out pretty good. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 1 minute. And this is how it turns out. So this is how my oatmeal turns out. It is very filling. The dried cranberries make it sweet, so I don't have to add any sweetener to it. The nuts, the chopped walnuts and almonds tend to keep me full longer. Let me know how you prepare your oatmeal in the comments. And as always, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.